right, back again with another one. Swap items in a dictionary from Codewars. Python. Let's go. In this one, you're going to take the keys and values of a dict, no jokes, and swap them around. You're going to be given a dictionary, and then you will want to return a dictionary with the old values as keys and list the old keys as values under their original keys. Once again, a suspect explanation, but what you're going to be doing is you're going to swap the keys and values, or what I am going to do, and you're going to watch, is swap the keys and values in this dictionary. Looking at the sample dictionary right here. Focus up. Looking at this dictionary. Once again, all the throat clearing that happens in the morning. Good morning, folks. Okay. Given this dictionary, you're going to swap the keys and values. So let's look at the values. Cream, 21, cream, cream. What's going to happen is that cream and 21 are going to become keys. And of course, the keys will become the values. Of course, keys must be unique. So you can't have like 3 cream values. So you make 1 cream value, and all of the keys that it corresponds to, I guess you could say, are going to become the values. So you see cream ice, cream light, cream double. The values are going to be in a list. So that's how you do the I guess the mapping, you would say, where in the original dictionary you've got the same value going to many keys. You take that value, make it 1 key, and then the keys that it maps to will be in a list. So that's how you handle that. So the keys are going to be strings in this new dictionary. The values are going to be lists of the former keys. So hope you followed that. But let's get into this and do this old swaparoo. As this is a good exercise and kind of a classic deal where you're just going to be swapping keys and values. So let's dive in here, get into the training area. So DIC, again, no jokes please, that's going to be your dictionary. You swap the keys and the values. Of course, going to create a new dictionary, so I'm going to give it a file, not a file name, I'm going to give it a variable name. And I'll just call it return, no jokes please. You can think what you want, but don't say it. All right, and I'm going to loop through the original dictionary, and let's see, how will I do this? I could do it a couple of ways. I'm going to get the key and val from I'm going to use the items function. When you use the items function, the items gives you a structure of tuples, and the tuples are pairs, and the pairs are keys and values. When you loop in this manner, you're going to, for each iteration, you're going to get a pair. First thing will be key, a second thing will be value, so it works out. So I can do this comma pair, and the key will be stored in this variable key. The value will be stored in the variable value. So, of course, I need the keys and values in order to swap them. So this is a convenient way to get them. All right, so focusing in here, we're going to take the values and make them keys. So as I loop, I want to determine if the value that I'm about to make a key, is it already in my new dictionary? If it's not already in my new dictionary, I will create it. So I'll do that check. If the value is, let's say not in, return dict. If it's not in there, meaning if it's not a key already in there, I'm going to make it a key. By doing that syntax, that makes it a key. And then I'm going to set its beginning value to a list, because remember, the values for this new dictionary will be a list of the former keys. I'm going to create that list, and I'm going to put the key from the former or from the source dictionary as the first element in that new list. And that's what I do for if the value is not already a key in the new dictionary. If it is already there, which covers the else says if the value is already a key in this new dictionary, it already exists, so I'm just going to append to the list that is already there. Same syntax, but you append here because the value list is already there. I'm just going to append a new value to it. And again, the values in the new, or the value in the new dictionary, it's going to be a list of the former keys. Keep it straight, folks. After this loop is done, we are done. So I'm going to return my return dict, and that be's it. Tighten this up a little bit. Collapse the interface and try to run this sucker. I've adopted certain sayings in these videos and say them over and over again. But humans are based on habit, and that's kind of how I am. I'm a human, I think. Last time I checked, I was born on Jupiter. Okay, this passed. This is good. I tried to do this with the dictionary comprehension earlier today, and I wasn't able to do it. Maybe one of you can figure out how to do that and let me know. Maybe I'll figure it out, maybe I won't. But this exercise is done, passed up, and got it done, cut, print, good. So I'm out, and you're out. So talk to y'all later. See you on the flip side, and let's go.